Chromosome 2. The DNA edit that shouldn't exist. Fractal codes, where we crack the codes. You ever wonder why humans are so different from everything else on Earth? It's not just our minds or language, it's our genetics. Specifically, chromosome 2. This is the glitch in the code, the edit that no one can explain away. And once you understand what it is, you'll start asking the real question. Who changed us? And why? What is chromosome 2? In most primates, there are 48 chromosomes. But in humans, we only have 46. That's not evolution. That's fusion. Two ancestral chromosomes were fused end-to-end to form human chromosome 2. This fusion point has been studied, and it's not an accident. It contains telomere sequences in the middle, not just at the ends, which doesn't happen in nature. Think of telomeres like caps at the end of a shoelace. Having them in the center, that's a signature of manual fusion. No other species has this mutation. Chimpanzees, gorillas, orangutans all have 48 chromosomes. Only humans have 46. If this was just evolution, there'd be some intermediate species. But there's not. It just jumps. It's like someone edited the blueprint, pressed upload, and walked away. So who did it, and why? This takes us deep into Sumerian text, ancient tablets, and the Anunnaki creation myths. The story goes that advanced beings came to Earth and modified early hominids, fusing their DNA with their own, not for enlightenment, but for labor, to create a worker race, one intelligent enough to build and obey, but not sovereign enough to rebel. Chromosome 2 may be the fingerprint of that genetic engineering, a control code disguised as evolution. The spiritual implications. This isn't just biology, it's spiritual architecture. If our DNA was tampered with, then our soul circuit may have been too, limiting how we remember, limiting what we activate, limiting how much frequency we can hold. But here's the thing, the very fusion that may have been used to control us may now be unlocking something dormant. Consciousness is rising, genetic memory is resurfacing, and chromosome 2, once used to suppress, might now be a gateway. Final drop. The human body isn't just flesh, it's code, and buried in that code are edits, glitches, fusions, and frequencies. Chromosome 2 is the scar of intervention, but also the spark of potential. It's proof we were changed, and maybe proof that we can change again. Because once you see the edit, you're no longer just a program, you become the coder. Fractal codes, where we crack the codes. Until next time, stay sovereign.